YouTube has become the go-to platform for video sharing, boasting a staggering 2.7 billion monthly active users. This massive audience presents an incredible opportunity for creators to share their passions, build their brands, and connect with people from all corners of the globe. Are you ready to dive in? If you're considering starting your own YouTube channel, this video is for you. I'll walk you through the top 15 things you need to know before hitting that record button. Whether you're a budding vlogger, a savvy entrepreneur, a passionate gamer, a talented musician, a tech guru, a cooking enthusiast, or simply someone with a story to tell, these insights will help you navigate the YouTube landscape and achieve your goals. Stay tuned till the end for a bonus tip that could be a game changer for your channel. Why a YouTube channel? The power of YouTube lies in its ability to connect people from all over the world, creating a platform for individuals and businesses alike to share their passions and ideas with a global audience. By creating a YouTube channel, you open the door to a range of opportunities, including the chance to reach millions of people, develop new skills, and grow your brand. YouTube also allows you to engage with your viewers in a unique and meaningful way, building a community around your content that can provide valuable feedback, support, and inspiration. Whether you're looking to make a career out of YouTube or simply want to share your knowledge and talents with the world, starting a YouTube channel is a powerful way to make your mark and connect with people from all walks of life. Essential tips for YouTube success. Starting a YouTube channel can be both exciting and daunting. With so much competition, it's crucial to have a solid strategy. Here are some key tips to help you succeed. Tip number 1. Find your spark, or inspiration. Are you ready to embark on a YouTube journey? The first step is to discover your passion. What truly excites you? What are you naturally good at? And most importantly, why do you want to share your talents with the world? Remember, YouTube isn't just about the money. While it can be a lucrative platform, it's essential to have a genuine interest in your niche. If you're solely driven by financial gain, you might find yourself losing motivation after a few uploads. Don't let self-doubt hold you back. You might worry that your ideas aren't unique or that your content won't resonate with others. But the truth is, there's always an audience for authentic content. Even if your niche seems saturated, your unique perspective and style can set you apart. So, take the leap and share your passion with the world. Your dedication and creativity will attract a loyal following. Start your YouTube journey today and let your inspiration shine. Tip number 2. Find your niche, a recipe for YouTube success. To excel on YouTube, finding the right niche is essential. This involves identifying your passions and interests, and then researching the performance of content in those areas. The ideal niche balances your personal enthusiasm with market demand and audience needs. By focusing on a specific niche, you can differentiate yourself from the competition and provide genuine value to your viewers, increasing your chances of building a loyal following. Tip number 3. Build your YouTube brand. Once you've settled on a niche, the next step is to create your YouTube channel. Choose a catchy name that reflects your content and is easy to remember. Consistency is key, so ensure your chosen name is available on other social media platforms like Instagram, X/Twitter, TikTok, and Facebook. These platforms can significantly boost your channel's visibility. To enhance your channel's professionalism, create eye-catching channel art. Utilize design tools like Canva to craft a unique visual identity. If design isn't your forte, there are countless tutorials available online, or you can commission a graphic designer. While channel art is beneficial, a simple profile picture can also work effectively. Tip number 4. Learn from the best, competitor research. Before we dive deeper, remember to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell to stay updated on future uploads. To truly stand out on YouTube, you need to understand the landscape. Competitor research is key to identifying gaps in the market and learning from successful strategies. Tools like Google Trends, YouTube Search, TubeBuddy, Social Blade, and vidIQ can provide valuable insights into your competition's performance, including video views, engagement rates, and subscriber growth. By analyzing this data, you can identify trends, popular topics, and effective content formats. Remember, the goal is not to copy but to be inspired. Use your research to find your unique angle and create content that resonates with your audience. Tip number 5. Equip yourself for success. Before you dive into content creation, it's essential to have the right tools. While you don't need to break the bank, investing in quality equipment can significantly elevate your videos. Essential gear: camera. A good camera with high video resolution and image stabilization is ideal for capturing clear and steady footage. Microphone. A quality microphone is crucial for clear audio. It can make a huge difference in viewer experience. Lighting. Proper lighting can enhance the visual appeal of your videos. Editing software. A reliable editing software allows you to polish your videos and add professional touches. Budget-friendly options. If you're starting with a limited budget, your smartphone can be a great tool. However, ensure you understand its capabilities and limitations to produce high-quality videos. A word of caution: avoid relying on low-quality webcam videos. Clear, well-produced content is essential to capture and retain viewers. Consider collaborating with a friend who has video editing skills to elevate your production value. The power of audio. Never underestimate the importance of good audio. Poor audio quality can ruin even the best video content. Invest in a decent microphone, pay attention to sound levels during recording and avoid noisy places. Tip number 7. Master the art of editing. Editing is the secret sauce that transforms raw footage into captivating videos. While you don't need to be a professional editor, understanding the basics of video editing software is crucial. Learn how to trim, cut, add transitions, and use effects to enhance your content. There are numerous free and paid editing software options available, so choose one that suits your skill level and budget. Color grading is another essential skill that can significantly impact the look and feel of your videos. By learning to adjust color tones and contrast, you can create a visually appealing and professional aesthetic. However, if you're short on time or lack the necessary skills, consider hiring a professional video editor. This will allow you to focus on creating great content while ensuring that your videos are polished and visually appealing. Tip number 8. Optimize your videos for discovery. Search engine optimization, SEO, is a powerful tool for boosting your YouTube visibility. By optimizing your videos, you can increase their chances of appearing in search results and recommendations. How to optimize your videos: keyword research. Identify relevant keywords and incorporate them into your video titles, descriptions, and tags. Engaging thumbnails. Create visually appealing thumbnails that accurately represent your content. Captions and annotations. Add captions to make your videos accessible to a wider audience and improve search engine visibility. Use annotations to guide viewers to other relevant content or calls to action. By following these SEO best practices, you'll increase your chances of ranking higher in search results and attracting more organic views. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips on YouTube success. Tip number 9. Share your masterpiece, promoting your videos. Creating amazing content is just the beginning. The next step is to get your videos in front of the right audience. Here are some effective promotion strategies. Social media powerhouse. Leverage platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter to share snippets, behind-the-scenes footage, and call to actions to watch your full videos. Email magic. Build a dedicated email list to directly connect with your audience. Send regular newsletters with your latest videos and exclusive content. Collaborate and conquer. Partner with other creators in your niche to cross-promote each other's content and tap into new audiences. Paid promotion. Consider using YouTube ads or other paid advertising platforms to reach a wider audience, especially for specific campaigns. Word-of-mouth wonder. Don't underestimate the power of personal recommendations. Share your videos with friends, family, and online communities. Remember, consistency is key. Experiment with different strategies, track your results, and adapt your approach as needed. I'll create a dedicated video to dive deeper into effective promotion techniques, so stay tuned. Tip number 10. Plan for success, creating a content calendar. To keep your audience hooked, consistent content is key. A well-planned content calendar is your roadmap to success. By scheduling your videos in advance, you'll maintain a steady stream of engaging content, saving time and effort. When creating your calendar, consider your audience's preferences and feedback. What topics resonate with them? What formats do they enjoy? By tailoring your content to their needs, you'll build a loyal following. Tip number 11. Consistency, the cornerstone of YouTube success. Consistency is the secret ingredient to building a thriving YouTube channel. By posting content regularly, you'll keep your audience engaged and eager for more. Whether you choose a daily, weekly, or monthly schedule, stick to it. Regular uploads will help your audience anticipate your content, and it'll keep you focused on creating high-quality videos. Tip number 12. Harnessing the power of reactions for better content. Reactions are more than just emojis, they're valuable insights into your audience's preferences. By analyzing comments and reactions, you can identify what resonates and what doesn't. This feedback loop allows you to continuously improve your content, ensuring it aligns with your viewers' tastes. Leverage reactions to foster engagement. Host Q&A sessions based on popular questions or create content inspired by fan suggestions. By actively involving your audience, you'll strengthen your community and keep them coming back for more. Tip number 13. Embrace the feedback loop, handling criticism. Remember, not everyone will be a fan, and that's perfectly normal. As your channel grows, you may encounter both constructive criticism and outright negativity. The key is to approach these comments with a level head and a willingness to learn. Constructive feedback can help you improve your content, while negativity can be a valuable opportunity to practice patience and resilience. Tip number 14. Be yourself, authenticity matters. Authenticity resonates with viewers. It is another cornerstone of a successful YouTube channel. Let your true personality shine through in your videos. Share your passions, interests, and unique perspective. By being genuine, you'll connect with your audience on a deeper level, fostering a loyal and engaged community. Tip number 15. Navigating the legal landscape. Before you hit the upload button, it's crucial to understand copyright laws and fair use policies. Using copyrighted music or footage without proper authorization can result in strikes on your channel. I'm currently working on a video that delves deeper into this topic, so stay tuned for more information. Bonus tip. Patience is key. Remember, building a successful YouTube channel takes time. Don't get discouraged if you don't see immediate results. It's common to experience slow growth, especially in the early stages. Keep creating high-quality content consistently, and eventually, your hard work will pay off. Every successful YouTuber has faced similar challenges. Stay persistent, and you'll see your channel grow. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if you found these tips helpful. By following these tips, you're well on your way to creating engaging, high-quality content that will help your YouTube channel thrive. With dedication and persistence, you'll establish yourself as a trusted authority in your niche and cultivate a loyal fanbase. If you found this video helpful or have any questions, please leave a comment below. I'm here to assist you. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell to stay updated on my latest uploads. Until next time, keep creating and keep inspiring.